Let's try the linear pattern on the cloth hanger model. I want to duplicate the hook along the rod. Go to the Features tab and select Linear Pattern. In the Property Manager, click Features to Pattern box and select the hook to be duplicated. Oops, a notice appears. Unable to pattern the selected feature rod 3 millimeters. If this notice appears, it means we cannot select that portion as features to pattern. This happens because the hook is not merged into a single feature, but is still separate. Click OK on the notice. To duplicate the hook, go to the Property Manager and select Bodies to Pattern instead. Then select the hook body, which consists of rod 3 millimeters and revolve 1. Now the hook can be duplicated. Next, we need to define where the hook will be placed. I will show the sketch of the hanger rod as the pattern reference. In the Feature Manager, find the hanger rod sketch. Right-click on it and choose Show. Then, in Direction 1, click Pattern Direction and select the construction line from the sketch as the reference direction. Select Up to Reference, and for reference geometry, choose the left endpoint of the construction line. The preview appears in yellow, and the hooks are automatically duplicated up to that endpoint. Next, set the number of instances to 9. The spacing will adjust automatically. The preview looks good, so click OK to complete the operation. I will hide the hanger rod sketch again by right-clicking on it and selecting Hide. Don't forget to click Save to keep our work.